This is a review of the LED Gooseneck desk lamp that I'm going to be doing a unboxing and a review on. And in this unboxing review, we're going to take everything out of the package, pretty much assemble everything, and from there show you guys whether or not if this product is worth it. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I got everything set up, and I do want to say this is extremely high quality, this whole entire desk lamp, and not only that, but we get two different ways to mount it up. Number one, you can see here I have it on like that, so it pretty much mounts up to here. If you were pretty much going to study something or anything like that, you could have it like that in this method. And then the second method is the mounting brackets that comes right here. So if you have like a desk lamp, like pretty much something like this, you can mount it up to here, screw it up like that, and pretty much it just, stays on like that. And then, if you're going to do this method, you're going to have to take this thing off right over here to take that off. But so far I absolutely love the mounting the bracket of this one instead. But other than that, the quality of this is really amazing. Another thing I do love the fact is that the interface of this is touchless. So what that means is that if I hit the flip of my finger, if I just touch it like that, it automatically turns on, and then it looks extremely beautiful. This is in the yellow color mode, you can see right over here, and the most brightest setting, as you guys know, is this one right over here. Then right over here, the second interface, we get the pretty much it's like the moon setting, where you could pretty much, if I hit the switch right over here, it's going to be in a dim mode, so you can adjust the brightness as well too. You could have it bright, or you could have it dim, however your liking is. And then last but not least, the third switch right over here is the 30 minutes durations, on flash twice, on off flash once. So if you're wanting like a certain duration of time period, you could have it set to like 30 minutes to this brightness level, and then you could also like change it back. But other than that, I do love the fact that it really is a versatile lamp. And not only that, but you could also use this too if you're doing a like music, piano, something like that. Then you could also have this too. But if you're doing something else too, like studying, you could have it as well too. But what I love about this thing is that it also bends. Like you could have this like pretty much like like 360 degrees. You could pretty much set it up like that. You could move it up like however you want it. So it could go like anywhere around. And you could have it all the way up right here. You can have it all the way down just like that. So if you're studying something, you could prefer it like have it set down and pretty much turn it on like that. If you're studying a book or something like that, you can have it like that. Or you can have it up here too. If you want the brightness to be somewhere else, you can have it like that. But other than that, I absolutely love this lamp and would definitely recommend this lamp if you're looking for a desk lamp to pretty much you're trying to study, or you're trying to pretty much do any other things besides studying, and you need like lights. Then this is probably one of the best products that you could get, because of the fact that it moves around however you want it, and you can pretty much change the colors as well too. And pretty much it was very easy to install too, two different methods to mount it up. And yeah, I absolutely love this product and would definitely recommend this.